Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Gmktec Nucbox K6, a mini PC that promises powerful performance in a compact form factor. We'll explore its design, features, and performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your setup. Let's start with the design. The Nucbox K6 comes in a sleek gray finish, reminiscent of a certain space-themed aesthetic. It's compact, measuring just 123 by 111 by 43 mm, making it suitable for various desktop environments. However, it's worth noting that the chassis is made entirely of plastic, which might not appeal to everyone looking for a more premium feel. Internal access is a bit awkward, requiring careful handling due to a delicate fan connector setup. Moving on to features, this mini PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. It also sports a Radeon 780M GPU, which provides decent graphics performance for its size. Connectivity options are robust, with dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 slots, dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, and a selection of USB ports including a USB 4.0 Type A. Now, let's talk performance. The Ryzen 7 7840HS delivers solid computational power, whether you're multitasking, streaming, or even doing some light gaming. It handles everyday tasks with ease, thanks to its Zen 4 architecture and efficient RDNA 3 GPU. However, it's important to note that while it supports up to 64 GB of RAM, our model here comes with 32 GB DDR5-5600 RAM, which is more than sufficient for most users. So, should you buy the Gmktec Nucbox K6? If you're looking for a compact, powerful mini PC that doesn't compromise on performance, this could be a great choice. It's particularly suited for home offices, media centers, or even light gaming setups. That wraps up our review of the Gmktec Nucbox K6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and insights. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.